Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to stop Facebook from announcing your birthday. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to stop Facebook from announcing your birthday, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to menu. And here on the menu, I want you to scroll down a little until you find the settings and privacy option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after tapping it, go to settings. And once you're on settings, just scroll down until you are on the audience and visibility section. So here on the audience and visibility section, you will be able to see the profile details option, which is where you can stop Facebook from announcing your birthday. So just go and tap it. And after that, I want you to scroll down until you find the basic info section. Once you've found it, I want you to tap the edit button right here. And after that, you will now be able to see your birthday right here. So to stop announcing your birthday on Facebook, you just need to set both of this to only me. So setting your Facebook birthday to only me will prevent Facebook from telling your friends about your birthday. This is because your birthday information will be hidden from everyone else, so your friends won't get any notifications or reminders about it. And once you're done setting both to only me, you can now tap save to completely save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, Facebook will now stop announcing your birthday to your friends. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.